Hi everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore a tab or Windows that you are using on Chrome. Okay, let's say your computer go off and you got plenty stuff that are open on Chrome. Okay, or you want every time you open Chrome, those specific website must be there. You don't want them to be closed. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, as you can see right now, okay, I got some windows that are open. Okay, as you can see here, I can add more windows. Okay, so as you can see here, I got plenty windows that are open. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make sure when your computer go off and you switch it on again, you got those windows entered. So we are going to start. You come to the right corner here, where is those three dot R. Okay, come to setting. On setting, you click on start. Okay, so by default, it's gonna be open a new tab page. The new tab page will be this one. Okay, okay, and then here you got continue when you left off. Okay, this means when you switch off your computer and then switch it on and open Chrome, or when you close your Chrome browser and open it again, you're gonna still have the windows that you are using before, as you can see here. Okay, and you got also open a specific page or set of page. Okay, so you can add a page here. So every time you open Chrome, you will get those pages. As you can see by default, they got Google. Okay, you can add some pages here. You add the URL, or you can say use current pages. That means it's gonna be those one here. Okay, but in my case, I just wanna choose this one. Continue when you left off. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna open again Chrome, as you can see. So this is where I was. Okay, so even if you restart your laptop or your computer, when you open Chrome, you will get the same pages. Every time you do this, you get the same pages. So let's say you want to close them, you just close them manually like this, like this. If I'm gonna close this one. If I close it, open Chrome, you can see this is what I got, right? I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.